Alright,
Let's make ourselves a pirate rock song. Let's go.
What do we need? Yeah.
Drums.
Boom, 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 boom. 4 planks on the floor, matey. Now make it snary, though. There you go. Rat-a-tat, bilge rat, very nice. Now don't forget, we're gonna need some buzzing bass. Now that's rowing the boat.
Properly.
Bones, how about some guitars?
How about some guitars? Here we go.
You know what'll make it really piratey? How about a little accordion, some squeeze backs?
Yeah.
Now we just need
Xylophone. Here we go.
to brew a batch of pirate rock, you'll need a recipe. Here's grandmama's ingredients, just handed out to be. You take a sailor song with an old accordion.
Let's do it all together with some xylophone and drums.
Staring with guitar and a dash of minor key. Then sing across the quarter deck and send it out to sea.
Yo ho,
singing from the crow's nest.
yo ho,
action on the
spot. Yo ho, rocket on the ocean. That's the recipe for pirate rock.
Alright, mateys, we're gonna break it down, and then we're gonna build it right back up again.
Okay.
This is the advanced pirate rock tutorial.
Let's
Extra
go.
piratey ingredients like
Organ.
And now, the most piratey instrument of all.
Wait, kazoo.
No. Kazoo?
No.
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 Banjo. That's
Banjo.
it. Now let's spice it up with harmony.
How many guitars? Look.
Now I've been singing pirate rock since I was
Just a lad.
And all my favorite songs, there was something that they had. A bunch of sailor songs with the old accordion. Let's do it up together with some xylophone and drums. Staring with guitar and a dash of minor key. Let's sing across the quarter deck and send it out to sea.
Yo ho, singing from the crow's nest. Yo ho, action on the spot. Yo ho, rocking on the ocean. That's the recipe for pirate rock.